Move and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, East Lake Orient Park, local and long-distance movers near me. Reach out to us for your long-distance relocations. A long-distance relocation is a distance that is at least 50 miles away. A move of this distance can cross between state or fall within a state. No matter, we can handle the complexities involved with this type of move. All you have to do is allow us to handle the planning while you focus on other things. Safety is another crucial concern you should have concerning your move. And with us, your properties are very safe and secure. Our movers are registered and licensed. They are responsible and well-trained and will always ensure that you are satisfied. Also, we have insurance policies in place that protect you from all risk during the move and after the move. With this, we can assure your safety and that of your properties. Are you looking to make a local move? You can reach out to us. Our rates are very affordable, about $30 to $40 per hour. Our movers are highly trained and they can maneuver easily across bustling cities without losing anything. Our team is well suited to map out and manage your move for you without any problem. You can ask for reviews from our previous clients around you. They are all the same, excellent and satisfactory reviews. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our East Lake Orient Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.